Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss cotton textile industry. Some points we have discussed before like the main products, industry as a system, market and the main areas. Now we are going to focus on the importance of cotton textile industry for the people and the economy of Pakistan, and then how much it has scope for the people of Pakistan, and what are the problems that are a big hindrance in its way to progress. We can understand the importance of cotton textile industry for Pakistan by this statistical data that Pakistan is fourth largest producer of the cotton in the whole world, and it is the third largest consumer of cotton, third largest exporter of raw cotton, and the second largest exporter of cotton yarn. So a lot of scope is present as Pakistan is among the main growing areas of the cotton. Then its quality of cotton is quite better. Climatic conditions are quite suitable, and that is why it has a lot of scope here. Now it would be quite easy for us to discuss that to what extent cotton textile industry is important for the people and the economy of Pakistan. Now the main thing is that the cotton textile industry has a lot of scope and importance, as I have told you the statistical data, but you are not going to mention any statistical data in your answer. You have to give the facts but not the figures. Now the thing is that the number one thing is that Pakistan is an agricultural country. Most of the people are living in the rural areas and where the agriculture is practiced. So if the cotton is grown there, then definitely it is going to produce a valuable raw material and export commodity. As a result of that, they are going to gain a lot of profit, and that profit is not only for our economy, that is going to help in improving their living standard. When the locally available cotton is going to be used as a raw material in the industry, it obviously provides a cheap raw material that reduces the burden on the import bill. Pakistan is an overpopulated country where a lot of people are looking forward to get jobs. So cotton textile industry can provide, and it used to provide, employment opportunities. So that is why Pakistan's most of the people, whether they are skilled or unskilled, are somewhere directly or indirectly are involved in cotton textile industry. So after earning a specific amount, they are paying country in form of taxes. So this textile industry is helping in generating revenue. Then we can say that the cotton textile industry products are quite in demand out of the country. So Pakistan is able to produce a good commodity for the exports. So the exports, especially from Karachi, are proved to be quite cheap as it is on seaport, and seaport is going to provide a cheap and the shortest route to the Gulf countries, or the from the Gulf countries to the European countries. In this way, Pakistan is getting maximum from the cotton textile industry, and it used to prove a very healthy opportunity to improve its balance of trade. Over the years, Pakistan has established a very good repute in the international market. Now, most of the countries want to buy our products. So, the result is that Pakistan has gained the standardization. When a country is specialized in a product, we used to say that it has achieved the standardization. Because of this standardization, Pakistan's entrepreneur used to get a lot of orders from international market and from the local market. In case of this, most of the time the entrepreneur has to produce the cotton products in bulk. So when he is producing the cotton products in bulk, he has to purchase the raw material also in bulk. So in this way, the entrepreneur used to get discounts on the raw material. That causes the average cost to be lower in the large scale production. So for this, we use a specific term known as the economies of scale. Here in cotton textile industry, we are able to achieve the economies of scale by producing a lot of cotton products. However, to some extent, this industry is not so important for Pakistan. So why it is not important? Because of the problems which it is creating for Pakistan. Number one problem is obviously of pollution. A lot of industries are not focusing on the WTO standards, and due to that, the pollution is increasing day by day. And in early winters, we have to face the problem of smog. Secondly, we can say that in the international market now more and more modern machinery has been introduced, and due to that, the countries like Korea, Japan, and other countries where machinery is manufactured can have this machinery on cheap price. So what is the benefit to these countries? That they can easily produce high quality cotton products, and Pakistan is unable to produce such type of products because Pakistan has to import this machinery, and Pakistan's currency has been depreciated because of its more imports, less exports. So because of this, when Pakistan imports the machinery, it has to pay a lot of money, and that is a big cause of a negative balance of trade. Industrialists who cannot purchase the modern machinery, they are still using the outdated machinery, and the end product is obviously not so good. Due to that, the thing is this, that the products are mostly rejected on international level, and Pakistan has to suffer a lot. Then from last many years, Pakistan is facing the energy crisis as well. Pakistan's industries, they are suffering a lot because of the problem of load shedding, and industries who are generating their own electricity, they have to fix the price of generating their own electricity into their products, which are in the end are obviously costly. So that is why the products are quite costly sometimes in the national and in international market. And the Bangladesh and the other countries, they are offering cheap products. Then we can see that the raw cotton means that the cotton growing areas are facing a lot of problems. Number one problem is that the water scarcity. Water is not provided in time for the cultivation of cotton. Then the locust and the other pest attacks are so common nowadays that the whole crop sometimes the partial damage to the crop obviously reduces the raw material to the industry, and that is why it is reducing the importance, as we have to import the raw cotton for the textile industry. Diseases like the leaf curl virus has been quite controlled after the introduction of high yielding varieties which can resist this virus. And as we see that in third world countries like Pakistan, it is very difficult to control this problem since the people are living in very bad condition. So they have to send their kids to earn money, and in international market, especially on export commodities, they used to have strict ban on child labor. So due to the ban on child labor, the industries like cotton textile industry loses its importance on national level.